In this Bonus Builder AI review, I'm going to start with a look around the access area so you can see what you might be buying, if you decide to purchase this product. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a complete walkthrough where Kevin uses the software to create a bonus page and bonuses for our One CPD software. Now this actually turned into a complete case study which ended up making $602 in affiliate commission, which I'll show you in our own Warrior Plus dashboard after the walkthrough. And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover a couple of points which some of you might find to be kind of the downsides, if you like, or the cons as opposed to the pros. Every software, every product has its slight issues. Nothing is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you those, and I'm going to show you the solutions to those little issues which we'll provide. So let's start with a look inside of the access area first. So when you first log in, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Bonus Builder AI. Rapid AI Builder with products is an upsell, so you might have that, you might not have that. From what I can gather, the Rapid AI Builder does a lot more for you. But anyway, we're just going to cover the front end here because I know that's what most of you are going to be interested in. So you need to see what's included in the front end. So we're just going to stick with Bonus Builder AI. I'm already logged in anyway, but I'll just show you. So we click there, live training. We're not going to cover that. So essentially what you have is an AI tool, which is built around a workflow. So this is trained by Kevin. And what it does is it starts off building out your bonuses. So what you would do is you would paste in, I'm going to do it in a moment, but what you would do is you paste in the sales page copy here, and that's all you do, and then it begins. So it begins by creating bonus ideas, so outlines for bonuses, and you can choose the bonuses you want to create, and then the software will create those bonuses for you. Then it will create a bonus page. Now this is clever stuff because, like I say, it's all trained. So it's not like adding prompts into ChatGPT. You don't need to worry about any of that. And something that I will mention at this point is you don't need an OpenAI account. So if you don't use ChatGPT, it's not an issue. You don't have to add in API keys. You don't have to have OpenAI credits or any of that. Everything is built into this software, I guess. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, well, actually, let me just show you the rest of it first. So it doesn't look like a great deal to begin with, but as I take you through this, you'll see how clever it actually is. So we have the Bonus Builder AI tool here. Again, we just paste in what we want here. Notes down here. So for example, when you create when the software creates your bonuses, you can paste it down here, turn it into a PDF or turn it into a Word document, whatever you want to do. And below the notes box, you have training videos. So if I click on here, for example, you can see how Bonus Builder AI works. These are all videos and there's a number of them there. But as I'm going to show you, this is very, very simple. So you probably won't even need these instruction videos, but they're there if you need them. And then underneath, you'll see that there are 3 different case studies. All of these have made money. Now, of course, Kevin has a list, so he's going to be able to make more money than you'll probably be able to make, unless you have a list yourself. But if you don't have a list, don't worry, we're going to cover that at the end. So again, case studies, instruction videos, workflows, I'll come back to this in a second, notes box, and the AI tool itself. Now, what the workflows are essentially layouts for your bonus page. So you can play about with these. You might want to go with 1 column focused. Kevin, I know, tends to favor this one here. So it's headline plus video. So that's headline plus video, plus a description of the product, plus bonuses. But you can choose any of these, entirely up to you which ones you want to use. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you how it works and what you need to do to get started. Okay, so the first thing you do, or obviously you need a product to promote, but this works with absolutely any product. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the internet marketing, make money online niche, but I guess it is built around that niche. So I'll leave that up to you to decide what kind of products you're going to promote with this tool. But for this demonstration, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, well, this is one of our products. This is a product that we have due for release very soon. So all I'm going to do is, all I've done here is opened up the sales page. I'm going to click Control A on my keyboard, sorry. And that copies everything. So copy. And then in here, in the Bonus Builder AI tool, I'm just going to paste all of that and then click the little arrow. Like I say, it's similar to using ChatGPT, but because it's already trained, you don't have to worry about any of that. So you can see here straight away, it's creating bonus ideas. And we can choose 1, 2, 3, as many as we like. But let's have a look. So in this example, I guess I would go for, so bonus. Oh, caps are on. Bonus 1, 5, and 8. Okay, so we're just telling the software which bonuses we'd like it to create. So the first thing that you can see is it outlines the bonus. So this is the bonus, just one of the bonuses. So you'll do each of these bonuses in turn, so one at a time. So the first one is, let's see, so bonus 1, 60-minute PLR launch checklist. So it's provided the outline. Now all I need to do is approve the outline. So if we did want to make any changes, we could ask it to make changes. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to stick with what it's created. So I'll just say, so now you can see it goes off and it starts to create the bonus for me. So you can see just from this, it's a great bonus straight away. That's just one bonus. We're going to create 3. Yeah, that's cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all of that. Oh, too far. There we go. Copy and then paste. Now I can turn it into a PDF here, or I can turn it into a Word document. So you can see is the PDF, or it will be the PDF when I click print. So here we would name it, let's just call it bonus. Not very original, but just for this demonstration. So bonus 3, save. So next we ask it to create the next bonus. So let's just put in next bonus, please. Let's just approve this outline. This is actually the first time I've used this software, so if I'm making any mistakes, that'll be why. But you can see it's pretty simple to use. You just begin with pasting in the sales copy for whichever sales page it is or whichever product it is that you're promoting. And that's basically all you do. You just ask it to continue, okay it. That's all you really need to do, because everything is built around a workflow. So let's have a look. Right, so it tells me that it's now ready to generate persuasive headlines for our bonus page, which it's already done. So I can just choose one of these. So let's go with option 3. Option 3. So let's go with clean and professional. This is the style of the finished bonus page. So paste. And now you can see it's ready to generate the HTML page, blog post format. So we can use that to promote or send traffic to our bonus page, social media posts, email swipe. So all of this in addition to the actual bonus page and the bonuses. So we're just going to ask that to continue. So you can see it's created the HTML there. This is for our actual bonus page. We also have a blog post. So if you use blogs, for example, you can pop this into your blog as a blog post and send that traffic, so your blog readers, you can send that traffic to your bonus page. And what else has it got? Social media posts, same thing applies. If you use social media, you can use this post to send traffic straight over to your bonus page. So you can see here, what have we got? So we got X, or Twitter as it used to be, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and then we have email swipes. So all of this is built for us, and all we really had to do was paste in the copy from the sales page. So this is how you can create a bonus page with unique bonuses for absolutely any product that you like in literally minutes. You don't have to know anything about the product. All you do is paste in and just reply to whatever it needs. So you saw me here just saying yes, continue, etc. And that's all I need to do. Now, as I mentioned, this was the first time that I've used Bonus Builder AI, so I have obviously made some mistakes. But this is, the basic bonus page for OCS that the software has created for me. Now, you can see some errors, so I've forgotten to put images in there, and I haven't used one of the layouts, so it's a basic layout. But, even from starting from scratch without actually knowing what I'm doing, without watching the instruction videos, which I'm always guilty of, I've managed to create this. And obviously I haven't put my affiliate link in there. But these are errors. Obviously, if you're watching the instruction video, you're not going to make these errors, but even with the errors, you can see what I've managed to create. Okay, so you've seen my walkthrough. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop in Kevin's walkthrough where he actually created a case study for our last product, which was called 1CPD. So we actually used this software to create a bonus page and unique bonuses for our product. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the results Kevin got. So he made, let's see, what was it? $602.70 in affiliate commission using this software. So first of all, watch Kevin's walkthrough and case study, and then after that, I'll show you the results in our Warrior Plus account.
So in this case study video, we're going to talk about a product by Mark and John. It's basically a rebrandable software. So let's get going with this. Same as always, I'm just going to copy paste the text into the bot. I'm going to press enter, and it's going to run through the analyzation of the sales page following this basically workflow and capabilities, analyze the content, create bonus ideas. So very quick, we have 10 bonuses ideas. So quick start and rebranding checklist. Very good. 5 done for you headline templates for the sales page. That's good. Lead magnet generator idea for the users. That's good. Affiliate offer selection checklist. Bonus page fill in the blanks template. Social media launch plan. That's very good. Email swipe. Welcome series for new customers. Mini guide 3 ways to earn more. Excellent. Object handling script and traffic booster checklist. So that's really, really cool. I'm actually going to create 3 bonuses for this. So I think the best bonuses will be number 6, number 8, and number 10. So number 6, 8, and 10. So here we have the outline. Excellent. And that is just the outline. So once that is confirmed, yes, complete the full bonus. So excellent. It's going to fly through that very, very quickly. Generally, what I'm looking for these bonuses is 5 to 10 pages. And you can see the way every bonus is specifically created for the actual software or for what you're promoting. So it's the exact same again. I'm going to paste this into my notepad file and I'm going to print it as a PDF. And now we'll come along and create the next bonus. Excellent. Now we're working on bonus number 2. And the final bonus number 3. Excellent. So within a minute, we have bonus created and saved. So I would like 2 or 3 headlines, basically. I want to pick the correct headline for that bonus page. So unlock your own software business and triple your profits. Get your rebranded software name and 3 exclusive bonuses today. Stop creating, start selling. Okay, bonus page outline that covers it. Excellent. So I would like the bonus page outline first. Headline, subheadline, hero, image or video, call to action, introduction, bonuses. Excellent. So yes, a full HTML page is what I want next. Basically, here we have it. We have all the HTML code. Again, wait until it's finished. It goes all the way down to the footer. And beautiful. Look at this for a brand new page. A nice headline, a nice video, a nice call to action. Beautiful buttons like this, drop downs like this. So guys, in a nutshell, as I said, in the space of, I suppose, 1 hour, I've been able to create 2 promotions, which include 2 new bonuses for each, 3 new bonuses, professionally designed pages that, okay, I might have to spend another 5 to 10 minutes editing, just putting in my link and stuff like that. So that's it for the second case study. There will be more to come. Have an awesome day.
Okay, so as I promised at the beginning of this video, let me show you the results. So Kevin used the bonus page that he created with Bonus Builder AI, along with the bonuses that he also created with his software. And you can see here, here's Kevin, $602.70. If I click here, you can see a breakdown of the products in the funnel that Kevin sold using his software. So again, in total, $602.70 as a result of using Bonus Builder AI. Now let's cover the points which I'm pretty sure that many of you are going to find sticking points. Well, I say many, some of you at least are going to find a couple of points to Bonus Builder AI problematic, I guess. So the first point is traffic. Now, obviously, Kevin can make over $600 commission from our product using Bonus Builder AI, or I should say the bonus page that he built with the software, because he already has a list. You know, as a marketer, I myself have a large email list. Most of us do if we've been in this business for any length of time. But if you're just starting out, then you're probably not going to have an email list that you can, send traffic from that email list or send emails out to your email list with a link to your bonus page. Now this is, well, it's an audience. It's an audience we can tap into straight away. But if you don't have a list, then how are people ever going to see your bonus page in the first place? Now, I must point out that it's not all about having a list. Now, having a list is great, obviously, but you don't actually need a list as such. What you do need is people visiting your bonus page. So you need to be able to put your bonus page in front of an audience, a targeted audience, people that are interested or going to be interested in the kind of products that you're promoting on your bonus page. So what I've done is I put together a guide which takes you through multiple platforms that you can use. So many of these are high traffic platforms, and it shows you how to utilize these free to use platforms to get traffic over to your bonus pages. Now this is a full course, a full breakdown, which covers multiple sites that you can start using today. Now, I've broken it down into 3 distinct categories, and what I'd recommend you do is choose one from each category and concentrate on those. Now, I will state that you're not going to get thousands and thousands of clicks straight away, but if you follow this guide, you will be able to quickly get traffic and use that traffic to send to as many of your bonus pages as you wish. And of course, it's all free to do. The other issue, which I think some people, not all, but some people are going to discover, is actually hosting the pages. Now, if you're not tech savvy, I'm not a tech savvy person, but if you're not a technically minded person, then you might end up wondering, well, how am I going to host this page? Bonus Builder AI is very good at what it's designed to do. It creates the bonuses, it creates the bonus page. But the one thing it doesn't do is host that page. So it's great having the page built for you, but without it being hosted, nobody's going to be able to see it. So essentially what you're doing, what Bonus Builder AI does, is it creates the HTML. You copy that HTML into, say, a note file, a text document, but then you have to turn that into a live web page that's accessible to anybody online. And for some, if you're not technically minded, for some, this is going to be an issue. It's actually very easy. It's nothing to worry about. In fact, it will take you literally minutes to upload your live web pages from the code the Bonus Builder AI spits out. But if you don't know how to do it, then it's going to be a sticking point. So what I've done is I put together this guide. It's called Text File to Website, and it takes you through the steps that you need to complete in order to get your text file or the HTML code from Bonus Builder AI online and turn it into a live website or a live page that anybody can access. So these are, I guess you would call them, 2 companion guides designed to work with Bonus Builder AI. They are a bonus, they're an exclusive, or they're exclusive bonuses to us. If you decide to purchase Bonus Builder AI and you purchase through us, then you'll get both of these guides as bonuses at no extra cost. So to get started, click the link in the description below this video.